Greetings and welcome to No BS Baking. You got JP here. Now, over the last few years, I've created many videos focused on baking ingredients, formulation, process, and baking science in efforts to help people better understand the why behind successful baking. Now, my content has traditionally leaned more toward the formula side of baking rather than live baking demonstrations because I firmly believe that formulation is the foundation of a success. In many ways, baking still follows the old 80-20 rule: 80% formula, 20% process. The reality is that consistent, high quality baking is not a wing it situation. Baking is a science, and the huge range of ingredients, ratios, and processes involved, it's easy for people to overlook or simply forget the important details that directly impact quality and consistency. And Lord knows that sometimes even just finding the time, space, and focus to learn, remember, and improve your baking game can be a challenge. With the seemingly endless variety of baked goods that are out there, the goal is not to memorize every ratio, formula, or scientific principle. The goal is to understand the concept, interpret what the formulation is telling you, and use that information to make better decisions and more successful products. This is where many bakers struggle, not necessarily with baking itself, but with understanding what the formula is actually saying. And that's one of the main reasons I spent over a year developing Brix Voyager. I wanted a better way to teach baking, not just by talking about baking science, but actually using tools that help people interact with it, understand it, and apply it. So let's be honest for a moment. If you've spent any amount of time baking at home, chances are you probably asked some of these exact same questions yourself. Why is my dough so sticky? Why didn't my bread rise? Why are my cookies flat? And why did my cake sink? And why does this exact same recipe work for someone else but not for me? And the reality is, you're definitely not alone. These are some of the most common baking frustrations being searched online right now across Google, Reddit, and other baking forums. And honestly, this constant confusion is one of the biggest reasons I created BV in the first place, because modern baking has become incredibly noisy. Recipes come from all over the world. Ingredients vary by country to country. Measurements vary. Processes vary. Temperatures vary. Even the flour itself can behave differently depending on the brand you buy. And unfortunately, many online recipes are simplified, incomplete, poorly balanced, or missing critical information entirely. So people follow the recipe exactly and still end up frustrated when the results fail to match expectations. What I want to show you through these BVHOL workshops is that baking success is not luck. There are real reasons why projects fail. There are real patterns behind consistency problems. And once you begin understanding how ingredients, hydration, fermentation, temperature, time, and formulation actually interact, everything changes. Most baking failures are not the result of bad luck or that you didn't follow instructions properly. They're commonly a direct result of what you had to work with in the first place. Now, as we discussed, ingredients vary, measurements vary, equipment varies, and even flour can vary from batch to batch and brand to brand. Now you add vague instructions, social media shortcuts, and unrealistic expectations into the mix, and suddenly baking becomes confusing instead of enjoyable. Once you begin to understand the key things to elevate and how to investigate both formulation and process more constructively, you start recognizing missing information, identifying weak points, and filling in the gaps, and transforming messy or ambiguous recipes into far more reliable and consistent baking plans. And this multi-series workshop is where baking all starts to make sense. Not just recipes, but understanding why ingredients behave the way they do and how small changes completely transform the final product. Inside BV, we'll connect real formulation work with fully searchable reference materials covering flour systems, grains and fibers, proteins, hydration, fermentation, gluten-free structure, ingredient functionality, and much more. Over this workshop series, we'll move far beyond basic bread making into healthier alternatives and smart formulation strategies across multiple baking categories, including breads, buns, cakes, cookies, flatbreads, and specialty products. If you're interested in nutrition, functional ingredients, ingredient alternatives, clean label concepts, or simply understanding how to build better products with confidence, this workshop series will become an incredible, powerful learning resource. And the answer is absolutely yes. Throughout this workshop series, we'll explore a wide range of common baking faults and product failures spanning the full spectrum of bakery products, with the objective of answering many of the frequently searched questions and concerns I noted earlier. Because behind almost every baking failure, there are patterns, where many of the questions bakers search for every single day are actually connected to a relatively small number of root causes. Once you understand how to identify and investigate those causes properly, baking becomes far less frustrating and far more predictable, creative, and rewarding. This is exactly why I encourage you to experience Brix Voyager HOL for yourself with a 30-day Explorer Pass. These workshops are completely free, but throughout this series, you'll be using BV extensively to explore formulation, troubleshoot faults, investigate ingredients, analyze hydration, experiment with healthier alternatives, and compare processes and build better products step by step together. Everyone is welcome to watch the workshops without BV, but honestly, it's a bit like attending a serious class without your textbooks, notes, calculators, or lab tools. BVHOL gives you the ability to actually do the work right alongside me. In the spirit of helping bakers bake better, I'm offering BVHOL to my viewers right now at an extremely low early adopter price, genuinely for next to nothing compared to what the platform is capable of. And I say this sincerely. Once you begin exploring the full functionality and possibilities inside BV, I believe you'll quickly realize there is truly nothing else like this available to home bakers today.